Hello everyone, so we are back again with another lecture on Aronhold Kennedy theorem. So in the previous lecture we have just gone through the Aronhold Kennedy theorem. So here we are going to have a brief detail about what is Aronhold Kennedy theorem and how it works. Okay, so here it is, Aronhold Kennedy theorem. It states that if three bodies having relative motion with respect to each other will have three I-centers, that is instantaneous centers, all of which lies on the same line. Okay, so it states that if three bodies having relative motion with respect to each other will have three I-centers, all of which lies on the same line. It is very useful in the mechanism where there are three links and will have three I-centers. If two of them are known, then third will lie on the line joining the two I-centers. Okay, so here you can see the figure of Aronhold Kennedy's theorem. Okay, so here you can see it is the fixed link, here also the fixed link. Okay, so the body rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so here one, it is here you can see the I-center for 1 with respect to 3. Here you can see the I-center for 1 with respect to 2, and here you can see the I-center for 2 with respect to point 3. Okay, so as shown in the figure above, the I-center I13 and I12 are located by observation. Okay, so I13 and I12, these two centers are being located by observation. Okay, then the third I-center I23 will lie on the line extended from I13 and I12 and cutting the line perpendicular to the velocity. So I23, this one will lie with the extended line and with the line cutting this at the point. Okay, so this point, the point at where these two both the lines cuts is known as the third I-center here. Okay, so methods for locating I-center. Step 1, the number of I-center in a 4-bar mechanism is given by the expression n is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is equal to number of links. The number of I-center in a 4-bar mechanism will be 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so there are 6 I-center in a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, next, step 2, these I-centers is shown below. For links 1, 2, 3 and 4, I-centers for link 1, I12, I13 and I14. Okay, for link 2 we have got I23, I24. Okay, for link 3, I34 and for link 4 it's none. Okay, so here you can refer to this figure. Okay, the various I-centers. This is the fixed link. Okay, so 1 is the fixed link, this is 2, this is 3, this is the coupler, and this is the 4. Okay, so for link 1 with respect to link 2 we have got I12, one center, then I23 another I-center, I34 and I14. Okay, so if these lines are being extended, that is this line 2, link 2 has been extended and link 4 has been extended, then it cuts at a point which is the instantaneous center of I1, 3. Okay, and if this link 3 has been extended and link 1 is being extended, then it cuts at a point where the instantaneous center is known as I24. Okay, step 3, I12 and I14 are found to be fixed I-center because they will change their position during the rotation of crank or at any position of crank. the I23 and I34 are permanent types of eye center, as they will change during crank movement but will remain at the joint of link 2 and 3. Okay. Step 4. I13 and I24 are secondary eye center and are located by circle diagram given below. So here in this figure you can see the circle diagram where the points 1, 2, 3, 4 are being denoted, and the links 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is being, the lines are being named. Okay. So take 4 points 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the circle equal to the number of links in the mechanism. Join this point by solid lines 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 1. These lines will be specified the eye centers, that is I12, I23, I34 and I14. Two remaining eye centers I24 and I13 are located by joining points 1, 2, 3 and 2, 2, 4 showed by dotted lines. Okay. Next, types of eye center. There are basically three types of eye center: fixed, permanent, neither fixed nor permanent. Okay. So the fixed eye center means its location will remain same during the relative motion between the links, because one of the links involved is fixed to the ground, as eye centers I12 and I14 in the figure referred in the previous slides. Okay. So the permanent eye centers are those whose location will change depending on the position of links, but they will remain at permanent joining points of the two links as eye centers I23 and I34 in figure as shown. The remaining two eye centers I24 and I13 are neither fixed nor permanent types of eye centers, as it will change continuously depending on the location of other eye centers. Okay. So with this we have come to the end of this lecture on Aronhold-Kennedy theorem. Thank you everyone.